If you clicked on this video, that means you're special. This video appeared on your screen for a reason, and that reason is to give you a second chance to lock in. Look how much time has passed since the New Year's, and what did you do? Did you start that thing that you always wanted to? Did you take the first step, or are you still saying that you'll start it later? Just imagine this. It's the last day of 2025, and you're exactly where you want to be. You've turned your ideas into action, built habits that matter, and finally started that dream project. You wake up with purpose because you made it happen. Now ask yourself, what's stopping you from being there right now? Distractions? Fear of failure? Starting but never finishing? Let's be real, success doesn't happen by accident. Social media, endless scrolling, trying to please everyone, they drain your focus and keep you stuck. But what if this year could be different? What if 2025 becomes the year you take control of your time, your actions, your dreams? It's not impossible. I've been there, stuck and unsure, but I found a way out. Today, I'll show you how to do the same. Trust me, if you genuinely pay close attention to what I'm about to say, you will return to this video at the end of the year and thank me. I promise you that. Let's make 2025 the year you don't just dream it, you live it. The first and most important step is starting, even when you don't have everything figured out. We've all been there. You're sitting with an idea, thinking, I could start a business. I could take that first step, and then comes the infamous but. But I'm too busy right now. But I don't have enough money. But I'm not sure if blah, blah, blah. There's always going to be a but. The simple truth is, waiting for the perfect time is the biggest mistake you can make. How many days, weeks, months, or even years have you wasted like that? How many times have you told yourself excuses that will never resolve themselves? Things will never just randomly settle down. Life will always be busy, always demanding your attention. That's where I can relate to you. Last year, I was lost. I was going crazy seeing kids much younger than me making hundreds of thousands of dollars. But instead of letting that stop me, I decided to take action. I started something I was really interested in, a YouTube channel. Your goals might be different, and that's okay. Maybe you just want to start working out. Maybe you're thinking about launching a business. It doesn't matter. The point is, just do it. It all starts with small daily actions. Take that first step and stay consistent, because consistency builds momentum. Over time, those small efforts compound into big results. Progress begins with action. Let's get real for a moment. You're going to face challenges. There's no way around it. With any personal or professional goal, you will encounter difficulties. Things won't move as quickly as you'd like, or you'll lose money or fail at certain steps. Maybe you'll get discouraged when you don't see immediate results. That's all part of the journey. Personally, in the beginning, I had no views on my videos. I was posting every day, yet nothing seemed to happen. I wanted to quit. I remember thinking, why am I even doing this? It's not working. But here's the deal. These challenges aren't signs of failure. They're opportunities to learn and grow. I embraced the fact that this wasn't going to be easy, but I kept pushing forward. I kept researching, learning, and tweaking my strategy. And then one day, one of my videos exploded. It went viral. That's when everything changed for me. Now, let me tell you this. You might be feeling like nothing is happening, like you're putting in all this effort for nothing. Here's a tip to get you through those tough times. Focus on the process, not the result. When you're focused on daily action, you'll see progress, even if it's invisible at first. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out advice. Having guidance or a support system is crucial to overcoming obstacles. So what happens when you push through the tough times? What's on the other side of all those challenges? Results. In my own journey, it wasn't all just about posting videos. It was about belief in the process. I had set a goal of making my first money online. I thought that it would be amazing, just earn $500 per month as a side hustle. But 2 months into 2024, I earned my first dollars. And a few months later, I was making more than $5,000 a month. When I look back at that, I think $5,000 a month isn't even that much anymore. But if I could talk to the person I was at the beginning of this journey, he would go crazy. The rewards don't always come in the form you expect. In my journey, the reward wasn't just about money. It was the confidence I gained from pushing through the tough times. I realized that I was capable of much more than I gave myself credit for. Here's a practical tip. Track your progress. Whether it's financially, physically, or mentally, documenting your growth can be incredibly motivating. It helps you see how far you've come. When you stick with the process, you build a version of yourself that doesn't quit. You gain confidence, discipline, and a deep understanding that you can achieve what you set your mind to. Now, let's bring this all together. Imagine it's the end of 2025 and you're looking back on the year you've just experienced. The goals you set at the beginning of the year are not dreams anymore. They're your reality. This is possible for you. Just like me, you might have felt like you didn't know where to begin or felt overwhelmed by the challenges ahead. But you can actually do this. You can achieve more than you think. The difference is in the action you take today. I'm not special. I'm just like you. I had doubts. I struggled, and I had no idea what I was doing in the beginning. But I was determined, and I wanted this to work out. So I kept pushing, kept believing, and kept working. And now, I'm here to tell you that you can do it too. This year, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Take one small step and watch how your life begins to change. I promise you, the goals you set for 2025 will come faster than you think if you put in the work. Let's make 2025 the year we both look back on and say, I can't believe how far I've come.